Good afternoon to all of you. 7th class students, today we will start new exercise 5.2, and in this video we will complete this exercise full. uh, First question is, state the property that is used in each of the following statements. There are two lines given, line A and line B parallel to each other, and two transversal lines are given. And first part you have to show, agar if line A and B are parallel to each other, then angle 1 and angle 5 are, what is the relationship between angle 1 and angle 5? Look at the angle, where is the angle 1 and angle 5 in this figure? They both are corresponding angles. It means angle 1 and angle 5 in same direction, it means they are corresponding angles. Next is, if angle 4 and angle 6 are equal, then then line A and B are parallel. Yes, 4 and 6 are alternate angles. Alternate angles सिर्फ parallel lines में ही property होती है. It means these two lines are parallel. If 4 angle and 5 angle is equal to 180, the sum of angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180, then line A and B are parallel. Look at this figure. 4 and 5 angles on the same side of the transversal, angles on the same side of the transversal will be always supplementary. It means these two lines are parallel. This is one of the property of this parallel lines also. Second question, identify. There are 8 angles are given, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you have to find the pair of corresponding angles. There are 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 1 का corresponding है angle 5, angle 2 का corresponding angle 6, angle 4 का corresponding angle 8, angle 3 का corresponding angle 7. It means angle 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 6, 4 is equal to 8, 3 is equal to 7. The pairs of alternate interior angles. Class, you have to find alternate and interior angles. It means angle 2 and angle 8 are in interior in the parallel lines. अंदर हैं ये parallel line के, और alternate भी है angle 2 and angle 8, और दूसरा pair है angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 2 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 5. Third question is the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Look at this figure. Here are interior angles. These two angles are interior, angle 2 and angle 5 on the same side of the transversal, and second is angle 3 and angle 8 same side of the transversal, and in both are interior. ये pair भी interior है, this pair is also interior, and they are on the same side of the transversal. Okay, last is the vertically opposite angles. In this part you have to find the vertical opposite angles. Look at the figure. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles, 8 and 6 are vertically opposite angles, and 5 and 7 are vertically opposite angles. So I am writing here the answer: angle 1, angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4, angle 6 and angle 8, angle 5 and angle 7. Now third question is, find the solution. You have to, this figure is given in the book, you have to find the value of angle A, B, C, D, E and F with the help of this 125 degree. For example, I am taking this first linear pair. The sum of two sides, the sum of two angles on a straight line will be 180. Angle E and angle 125 is equal to 180 by linear pair. तो angle E की वैल्यू हो गई 180 minus 125, 55 degree. Then angle E and angle F are vertically opposite angles. अगर angle E is 55 degree, it means angle F is also 55 degree. Then they are vertically opposite angle. And angle E and angle A both are corresponding angles. अगर angle E 55 degree है, it means angle A is also 55 degree. A and C are vertically opposite angles. अगर A 55 degree है तो C भी 55 degree होगा. Then look at this. Angle E and angle F both are vertical opposite angles, 55 degree. Angle E and angle A same vertical opposite angles, it means 55 degree. A and C both are vertical opposite. Angle E and angle A are 55 degree. They are corresponding angles to each other. I will show you in the figure. Angle E and angle A, they are corresponding to each other. Then A and C are 55 degree. It means vertical opposite angle. A and C are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles to each other. I will write short form sometimes. vertically opposite angles they are here. These are vertically opposite angles. Angle D is equal to 125 degree. देखो एंगल D and 125 डिग्री बोथ आर वर्टिकल, बोथ आर कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. अगर ये 125 डिग्री है इट मीन्स D इज ऑल्सो 125 डिग्री बिकॉज इट इज़ कोरस्पॉन्डिंग टू ईच अदर. तो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स हो गए B एंड D, आपस में वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल्स हैं, तो इट मीन्स 125 डिग्री आंसर. नाउ fourth question is you have to find the value of this unknown x की value find it. There are two lines L and M parallel to each other, one transversal T line, 110 is given in the book and you have to find x. Students, I will use this 110 degree. इसका मैंने यहाँ corresponding angle ले लिया. One is also this is angle 1, this is also 110 डिग्री by corresponding angle. अगर ये 110 है तो ये भी 110 होगा. by linear pair 180 में से 110 करेंगे then I will get the value of x. For example, angle 1 is equal to 110 by corresponding angles. Then I will use linear pair property. x plus 110 is equal to 180. x की वैल्यू आ गई 180 minus 110, 70 डिग्री. ओके class, this is two again parallel lines and this is two transversal line. 100 degree is given, you have to find the value of x and there is 80 degree is given also in your book. Look at these two relationship between these angles. These both are corresponding angles. It means the value of x is 100 degree by corresponding angles. ये लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You have it's compulsory to write the reason why these two angles are equal in each and every question. If ABC is 70 degree, find the value of this. Look at this figure. ABC 70 degree is given. You have to find the value of this angle and then you have to find the angle of this angle. Students, look at the figure. These two lines are parallel. This is transversal. This is 70 degree. It means it is also 70 degree by corresponding angle property. It means this angle is 70 degree. If it is 70 degree, look. अगर ये 70 डिग्री है then students this is also 70 degree. How these two lines are parallel again. This is transversal, this is transversal. अगर ये 70 डिग्री है this is in the same direction of course 70 degree. It means these two angles are 70 degree by corresponding angle property. लास्ट है आपको ये बताना है क्या L और M पैरेलल हैं. ओके मैंने लेट कर लिया, let L is parallel to M. ओके देन एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल. ये एक एंगल गिवन है, एक ये एंगल गिवन है. इन दोनों का सम, इफ़ दे आर द सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स, अगर 180 आता है इट मीन्स दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. अगर नहीं आता इट मीन्स नो. सम ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल 126 डिग्री प्लस 44 दैट इज इक्वल टू 170. It means it is not equal to 180. It means no, L is not parallel to M. अगर इनका सम 180 डिग्री की इक्वल आता they will be parallel होते तब वो दोनों, अगर नहीं आता है तो नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये दिस फिगर इज गिवन, दिस इज 75 इज गिवन. आई विल यूज़ दिस एंगल बाई वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल. इसको मैंने 1 ले लिया. दैट इज ऑल्सो 75 डिग्री बाई वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल. नाउ एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन 75 प्लस 75 this is equal to 150 which is not equal to 180. it means in this case L is not parallel to M. पहले मैंने वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल से इनको इक्वल कर लिया, फिर मैंने देखा ट्रांसवर्सल एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल अभी भी नहीं है. इट मीन्स इनका सम अभी भी 150 आ रहा है, 180 की इक्वल नहीं है. इट मीन्स बोथ आर नॉट पैरेलल. Now look at this figure. This is 57 is given. I will take a vertical opposite angle of 57. ये 57 था तो angle 1 is also 57. Now sum of angles on the same line of that मतलब transversal line. The sum on the same sides of the transversal will be 180. In 57 degree plus 123 degree. Answer is 180 degree. It is also 180 degree. It means it is equal to 180 degree. In this part L is parallel to M. This is a symbol of parallel. 11 जो है वो parallel का symbol है. It means L line is parallel to M क्योंकि इनका सम 180 डिग्री आया. लास्ट क्वेश्चन 72 डिग्री इज गिवन हेयर. ये 72 है तो इसका अपोजिट वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल 1 इज ऑल्सो 72 डिग्री. नाउ एंगल्स ऑन द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल 98 प्लस 72 it will become 170. It is not equal to 180. It means again L is not parallel to M. That's all for today students. We have done exercise 5.2 today. Thank you and have a nice day.